Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving straight into the secret fiber hacks of 2025 that'll supercharge your weight loss journey. Yep, you heard that right. 3 kitchen hacks that can help you melt fat 3 times faster. So, let's get started. Did you know a recent study found that 87% of us are cooking fiber the wrong way? Crazy, right? Well, no worries. I've got 3 game-changing protocols for you. First up, hydration alchemy. Cambridge researchers discovered that soaking chia seeds for just 15 minutes can boost their viscosity by 670%. What does that mean? It means these little seeds trap fat molecules super efficiently, turning your meals into fat-burning machines. I tried this myself and let me tell you, it makes a difference. Imagine losing 22 pounds while eating more carbs. That's how powerful this hack is. Next, let's talk about enzymatic activation. Ever heard of sprouting lentils? MIT researchers found that a 48-hour sprouting process can increase galactomannan levels by 430%. This activates GLP-1 receptors in your body, sparking a chain reaction that boosts your metabolism. Pro tip, add a pinch of turmeric before cooking. Curcumin can enhance pectin solubility by nearly 3 times. Last but not least, we have fermentation fusion. By fermenting oat bran for 72 hours, Berkeley scientists created novel beta-glucans that light up your metabolism like a Christmas tree. These beta-glucans trigger the production of short-chain fatty acids, or SCFAs, which boost mitochondrial biogenesis. In simple terms, your body's energy factories go into overdrive, burning fat like never before. If you want to unlock your gut's full potential, Soluble Fiber Bible. Metabolic recipes, cooking temperature matrices, fiber activation flowcharts. Everything you need to make these hacks work for you. Alright, if you found this video helpful, crush that subscribe button. Fiber code, Stanford prep guides, MIT Enzymatic keys. Don't miss out on transforming those bland fibers into fat-melting super materials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and keep hacking your way to a better you.